Hello everyone, welcome to this episode. Today, Usite will introduce to you how to properly clean the Magicard Enduro printer to ensure print quality and machine life. First, let's take a look at how to use a long cleaning card with soaked IPA. This kind of cleaning card is more likely to remove dust, debris, contaminants, and ink residues on the conveyor rail, thereby improving the quality of graphic and text printing. In addition to cleaning cards, there are a few other tools that can help you clean your printer. Cleaning pens and squeeze sponges are two popular options that remove dust, debris, and contaminants from the printhead, improving print quality and extending the life of the printhead. For those areas that are difficult to clean, such as deep parts, we can use sponge swabs with short or long handles to ensure that every detail is cleaned in place. Use cleaning wipes to clean the printer's interior and exterior housing, as well as contaminated components. This also includes cleaning some of the transfer rollers to ensure that all parts of the printer are kept clean. Finally, don't forget to use the cleaning roller's adhesive card to effectively remove dust, debris, and contaminants from the transfer roller every time you change the ribbon. Thank you for watching this episode of Usite. With proper cleaning and maintenance, you can ensure proper printer operation and improve print quality. See you next time.